So here's a preview of how this all works. This is going to show you how to use some tools to export the model from Koikatsu, how to import the model into Blender, how to shade the model using Blender, and then how to use the Cats add-on to export the model as an FBX file that you can use pretty much anywhere. I'm also going to show a quick way to import the FBX file into Unity. In order to start, you're going to need these. The latest version is usually the best version, but if you're having issues with anything, then try using one of these software versions instead. And if you already don't have the HF patch, the installation is really straightforward, so I'm not going to show that. Alright, did you download all of that? The mesh exporter comes with information on how to use it, but luckily I've already read that for you, so just take these two files and put them into the Koikatsu root directory. And then take the Koikatsu version of the exporter and put it into the BepInEx folder. Put the PMX exporter in there too. Okay, the plugin should be installed, so let's load up the card in the character creator. If you don't have the export button here, then the PMX plugin didn't load correctly. Try putting the PMX plugin into the plugins folder too. Also, if something looks weird when you load your character, then try backing out to the main menu and loading your card a second time. Once you've got everything situated, get your character into a T-pose by clicking left or right on pose, change the eyes until this slider appears and drag it all the way down, then disable blinking. Now you can export the card's textures by pressing the minus button on the keypad. Give that a few seconds, then hit the export button on the top left to get the card's mesh and armature. The textures folder can be found in the Koikatsu directory under export. And the mesh folder can be found on the root of your C drive under Koikatsu model. Basically, you should have a folder with a short name made of just numbers, and a folder with a long name that has the character name in it. That's it for now, let's get into Blender. You're going to need two add-ons for this, so go into the Preferences menu on the top, click Install and choose the Cats add-on. Make sure to enable the add-on by checking this box. The latest KK Shader Pack comes with its own add-on, so install that too. The add-ons are installed, so they should both be in this side menu here. Click on the Cats tab, go into the hamburger menu and choose MMD. The PMX file should be in the folder with the short name. Change these settings and import the PMX file. Okay, it looks like this one imported correctly. If your model isn't importing, then try going back into Koikatsu, remove an accessory, and export the model again. Some accessories don't play nice with the PMX importer, so you kinda just need to play with it until it works. If you have to sacrifice an accessory to get the PMX file to import, then don't worry about it because you can get it back later. Okay, so back to this, I'm also going to enable Material Preview up on the top right. In the KK Scripts tab, there's a button that says Run right after importing, so I guess I'm gonna click on that. Then in the Cats tab, there's a Fix Model button. Click on the wrench here, enable the top three, disable the bottom three, and click the Fix Model button. When it's done, you can get a better look of your model by hiding the armature in the outliner. Click on the model to select it, and go to the Materials tab to see all the material slots for your model. Some of them are duplicated, so let's get rid of the duplicates by using these arrows to position the duplicates under the originals, and then merge the duplicates into the originals by clicking this minus button. I'm going to keep the eyes separate, and I have a feeling that these duplicates on the bottom are not actually duplicates. I think the person that made this card just used a bunch of whatever this prim material stuff is to create Hachikuji's backpack, so I'm going to keep all of these separate as well. I'm also going to take this BonelyFans material and merge it with the other BonelyFans material. And finally, if the CFM body material is duplicated, then you need to merge that one too.